Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I want to show you some pictures we did with the Godox iM30. This little bitty flash right here on top that cost $35. I decided to do some pictures with it. I did our Christmas pictures, with family over opening presents and stuff, but took it out a few days ago after it had stopped raining, so the sun was going in and out of the clouds. So I wanted to get it in a little bit tougher conditions than just being inside in a controlled environment. So I took it outside. We only shot a few pictures. We weren't out there too long. But I want you guys to see the pictures. So I'm pretty impressed with this little flash, this little iM30. It's just so small. It fits on top of the camera. But, however, this is my flash that you take to a wedding. You don't want to take this to a wedding. This is a fun or a travel bag or something like to take with you. Christmas pictures like I used. It's not a flash you want to show up at a paid photo shoot for. This is what you want to do with that. This is my Godox V1. This is also like $350. This one is $35. But this one did a good job. You'll see in these pictures how well it did. So let's have a look at them and see what you guys think. Okay, guys, we're starting out with the Godox iM30. It's about a $35 flash. We're starting on 1/16 power. All right, go ahead and flip around toward me. Big smile. There you go. Now come walk toward me just slightly. Hands out of your pockets. There you go. Okay, stop and just kind of look off to the side. I want you to just kind of walk toward me slowly. Look down a little bit, then look up at me, and then look around. I'm just going to try to get some different shots. So, all right, ready? Let's roll. Slower. So you got to go slow for me. Smile. Okay. All right. Here we go. All right, now walk toward me slowly. All right, stay right there. Get me close. All right, stay right there. Hold on. Chin down just a little. Good smile. Yeah, those look cool. So we will go check those out in the studio and see what we think about them. I think they look pretty cool. Okay, guys, that was the pictures, and I have to admit, I was pretty impressed with that little flash. I think I shot all those at 1/16 power, so it'll put out a good bit more power than that. So 1/16, the sun was in and out of the clouds. I think the exposure looked really good. I think the skin colors looked good. I was overall very impressed with it. And what mostly I'm impressed with is the fact that it only costs $35, and it does all that. I'm highly impressed with that. So I'm going to leave a link at the bottom if you guys are interested, because for $35, it's worth just throwing in a bag. It takes up no room. I show it to you what it looks like off the camera. So it's just super small when you get it off the camera. Just a little bitty front. So it's worth having, even if you already have a couple of V1s. This is just, like I say, this is good for vacations, families, getting on the airplane and you're not doing a photo shoot somewhere, but you want to take a flash, so you're on a trip, you want to be able to get the shot when it's too dark. This will do the job. And like I said, $35, you just can't beat that. Now, Godox does have another flash, a little bit more expensive, coming out. It's not released yet, but I've got it on the way. It's a little more expensive than this one. It's a little stronger than this one, so we've got it on the way. We'll be checking it too, but for now, this iM30 Godox flash, I'm going to leave a link at the bottom. Highly impressed me for the price. So anyway, I appreciate it, guys. If we're helping you guys out, give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. You guys have a great day. Thank you. Hey, guys, I just want to take this second of your time. If you guys would please hit like and subscribe, it would go a long ways toward helping our channel and help us keep making these videos. Thank you.